Shane, do you think the format is kind of overpowering on the rest of the two formats?
Look, it's shifted significantly in the last, probably 5 to 8 years with the amount of T20 cricket, all the various T20 tournaments that are coming that continue to pop up. So in that regard, look, it's the biggest challenge is I think in say 10 years time when the young generation who are like 10 at the moment who come through and then they will have to choose. They will choose at some stage whether they're going to try and push to play 4-day cricket or Test cricket, or whether they want to conserve their bodies in some way, especially the fast bowlers, to not play Test cricket. So that's going to be the time when there's going to be choices that players are going to make, which actually could take it out of administrators' hands in some way, shape, or form. But I know in Australia, Test cricket, even for the 10-year-olds, is still it's the forefront. It's what a lot of young cricketers do still really want to play. So while that continues to burn brightly, then Test cricket as a starting point, the filters down to one-day cricket will still be a priority for youngsters coming through. But franchise cricket continues to be a financial engine for a lot of the domestic boards.